Are you wondering how to export lead data from Apollo.io? In this quick Apollo.io guide, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can get your lead data out of the platform and into a usable format. Stick around to the end because I'll also share some pro tips that can help you maximize your use of Apollo.io. Apollo.io is a powerful tool for finding high-quality leads, but knowing how to export that data is essential for making the most of it. If you're new to Apollo.io, don't worry. I'll explain everything you need to know. First things first, once you're logged into Apollo.io, go to your dashboard. From here, you can access all the lead data that you've gathered. The key to exporting your leads is in the Leads section. This is where Apollo.io stores all of your saved leads, so it's essential to make sure your lists are organized the way you want them before you export. To start exporting, click on the Leads tab, then select the list you want to work with. You'll see an option to Export on the top right of your screen. Click that and you'll be presented with a few export options. The most common export format is CSV, which can easily be opened in any spreadsheet tool like Excel or Google Sheets. If you're working with a CRM or other system, check if Apollo.io supports integrations for seamless data transfer. When you click Export, you'll get a few customizable options. For example, you can choose to export just the columns you need, like name, email, job title, or company. This customization can save you time by only pulling the data that's relevant to you. You also have the option to select the file size and format, so you can tailor the export to your specific needs. One thing to note, the export might take a few moments depending on the number of leads you have, especially if you're pulling a large list. So be patient and let the process complete. Once it's done, you'll get a notification and your file will be ready to download. Now, here's the kicker. If you're using Apollo.io for sales prospecting or lead generation, exporting this data is crucial for tracking your outreach and measuring performance. Whether you're using it for cold emailing, CRM updates, or analytics, knowing how to export this data makes managing your leads much more efficient. I also want to mention something important. Apollo.io offers a lot more than just data export. The platform has powerful filtering and search features, so you can find highly targeted leads, automate tasks, and even track your outreach progress, all in one place. But exporting leads will give you a quick overview that's super useful for any marketing or sales team. By the way, if you're new to Apollo.io, there's a fantastic opportunity for you to try it out for free. You can get access to the software plus some exclusive bonuses by using the first link below. To wrap it up, exporting lead data from Apollo.io is an essential skill to leverage this software for your business. You now know how to export your data in just a few clicks, and you're ready to start using that data for sales and marketing campaigns. If you want to go beyond just exporting and dive into automation, integrations, or lead scoring, there's a ton more that Apollo.io can do to streamline your process. Don't forget, if you're looking to try out Apollo.io, I've got an exclusive and extended free trial available to you right now. Check out the link in the description to get started.